moving the feet.
Are you sure that's the feet?
Yep.
So that's the feet and that's the head?
Mm-hmm. Do you see her hands or his hands?
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Are you serious?
Yeah, hey, our baby's
I want to ask what's her name and to
Jamie. Look again.
oh, why did it move like that? Don't do that.
Especially if I'm coughing.
You're making the baby move when you cough.
Oh, goodness.
You're making the baby bounce. Really? You're interrupting her sleep.
It's funny. Now what? Oh, what?